Hey my friend, it's Sash here at Sash TV. Welcome. Great that you found me here somewhere on the internet. You probably searched for a keyword and now you're here and getting the information for the keyword that you were looking for, all right? So great that you're here. And before we start this training, please make sure, to subscribe to my channel here and click on the bell, of course, to get notified every time there's a new video coming up, because I quite frequently put up new content here, so you get notified, all right? Okay, my friend, and well, if you haven't found a great product to promote yet, there is also a free training I put out, okay? So there is 4 videos. Right below this video there is a description, or in the description there's a link, and you just click it and you go there, and there are 4 videos for you that where I show you how you can actually pick a product, where to find products, and how to build your list, a little funnel, and to monetize your list, and how to get even traffic within 24 hours. So it's really cool content. It's not that long, about an hour, and you can actually go and start creating your own first campaign, right? So if you'd like to check that out, just right below this video. Okay, my friends, so let's get started. I'm pumped. I'm really excited because it's such a great topic to talk about, What is affiliate marketing and how does it work, Many people are trying to do this, are trying to make money online, and it's not that easy for many, obviously, because then everybody would do it and everybody would get great results with this, right? But this is not the case. So I would like to show you, the basics here, so you really get a good understanding, and you can then go out and just implement what you learned here. Okay? All right. So let's dive into this. Well, as an affiliate, what do? You sell other people's products, And the cool part is you don't need to have your own product. This is really awesome, because this is, the vendor or a company that they come up with a product, a digital one or maybe a physical one, and they need to have all this, infrastructure. They need to have a big website. They need to have customer service, and all the delivery stuff if it's a physical product, and they need to have this giant machine, but you are like this small middleman in between, so you are the connector, the enthusiastic reporter, this is what I mean here, be enthusiastic about the products that you promote, because this is what makes people wonder what is that you got there. They want to find out because they can relate to this. If you are, if you buy a new Apple iPhone, for instance, maybe you're not an Apple fan, but I am, and you got this, and you tell your friends about this. You want to share what you just got, or maybe you buy a new car, a BMW, Mercedes, a whatever that is. You want to show it to your friends and brag about it even, or maybe not brag, but you want to share your enthusiasm about the new product that you got, right? And this is what really differentiates you already from the typical affiliate marketers. They don't know what they're doing, because then you are going out there with a positive feeling, that people can relate to and want to be a part of it, you see? So you are basically, I actually did a nice little slide here. Look at this. So on the left hand side, we have vendor and company. They are creating products, right? And you are in the middle, the middleman here. So you connect the product with the customer, right? Because the customer, they are searching maybe online, maybe on YouTube, maybe Google, for a specific product they like to get more information about. And then there is, maybe on YouTube, let's say, they are putting in, looking, maybe, let's say comparing Apple iPhone with Samsung as something, okay? the latest smartphone from them, and then you come in because you are presenting or you are comparing those two devices, and now the customer knows, okay, great, now I'd like to buy that one because the camera is cooler, or the features with the Apple one are greater, or the design, I just love it more, whatever. But you are the middleman, and as I told before, you don't need to have your own products, and this is pretty awesome. Let's think of Uber or Airbnb. Do they have their own products? No, they don't. They are basically affiliate marketers, or an affiliate marketing machine, so to speak, or a system, right? Because what they do is, let's say Uber, they don't have their own cars, right? Meaning, they don't have to think about, oh my God, how do we get those cars, and where can we put up like a station, where to put them, a parking lot, and all this crazy stuff you would have think about if you were the product owner. But you're not, you're just the affiliate. So that's so awesome about affiliate marketing, in my eyes. And the next thing is, of course, where do you find affiliate programs, affiliate products, at least digital ones? I can tell you, you can find those on ClickBank and JVZoo. So those two platforms, they are the biggest ones out there, and there are tons of affiliate, programs there and products, all digital one, of course. And also of course, Amazon, is a big example. They have, of course, physical stuff, but the compensation there is pretty low. Okay, so you want to make sure that you actually on the side of making money with your products, you want to make sure that it's actually you get a big compensation percentage when you sell some stuff. All right. And well, you have actually to choose, right? You can choose. Isn't that awesome? You can choose a niche. And of course, I put up here the big ones: weight loss, making money, but also green energy is obviously something that is rising more and more. So yeah, you have to choose a niche where the products that you chose, that you are passionate about. Really, it's all about that enthusiastic reporter. Okay, my friend, really? Can you feel my enthusiasm here? So this is what it's all about. If you're passionate about, people can more relate to you, because people do not buy products because they want to have a new iPhone or something. Yes, that is some kind of percentage, but there are so many different devices, brands out there, that they don't know sometimes, oh my God, which one is the best, for me, for what I need, for what I want to do with it. So they actually need to have more information about which device is the best one for them. Okay, and then this is, when you come in as an affiliate, this is when you tap in there and say, okay, look, the Apple device can do this and that, and the Samsung do this, Huawei does this, and stuff like that. And now they know the differences between all of these devices. And this is, you build some trust, some relationship with the customer. Okay, and this is why people actually love to buy stuff from people, or when they get recommendation from their friends. This is what we are. We are like friends, to the customers, because we have great products that we offer, you see. Okay, and well, yeah, you choose your niche. I cannot do this for you, sorry. And the next question is, so what is affiliate marketing? I hope I could answer that question here. And how does it work? This is the next question, right? So how to promote your affiliate products? Once you chose your niche here, and you found great products, now is the time. Well, how do I get those products, or let's say my my content for that product out there to people so that they actually can see it and can consume it in whatever way, and then they gonna buy from my affiliate link that I always, put somewhere, whatever I do, if it's an article, if it's a video, something like this. And this is the next question here. What do you actually want to, or how do you actually want to get your message, your information about the product across on the internet, right? And for me, the single biggest one is video content, And the cool part is I actually researched a little on the internet and I found 2 great articles. Look, I went to Business Insider, yep. And video is, of course, all over the place. When you scroll down your timeline on Facebook or something like that, you see all these videos, they're popping up, or on Instagram, the stories, all video based. So, and this is Business Insider. They predict that time spent with digital video will grow 25% by 2020. Isn't that amazing? 25%. Of course, they also include like Netflix, but YouTube, of course, Facebook, and probably also Instagram, right? And there's another pretty crazy number, this one here. So globally, consumers will spend 84 minutes a day, per day. You see? Almost, let's, round it up. So 1.5 hours every single day we spend on our devices, or on our devices on the internet to watch videos, right? And of course Netflix is a big one, but also the other ones, the social media ones, or YouTube, of course, because YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the internet. So this is how how you found me here, how you found this video here, because you searched something on the internet and you found me here, right? So this is how it works. And there's also another site where I went to. It's smartinsights.com. And they are also, saying the same thing. Videos continuing to grow in popularity and importance for marketing, which means it's vital to stay on top of the latest advances and statistics in order to create a strong digital video marketing strategy. You see? And here also some pretty cool numbers. So 83% of people, that were asked, like study participants that were asked, how much video content they think, will become more important to them. And it's 83% that are saying this. So it's kind of crazy, So this is like booming. Video is still booming. It's amazing. So let's get back here. That's why I love video content, to create videos like this one here, to get real value to you, and so that you can decide what you want to do with this information that I put in front of you, I mean, you have to apply this, right? I cannot do this for you. You need to do the push-ups yourselves, so to speak, right? But I hope you had a good time here, and for me it was a lot of fun. And I hope with these informations you will really go out there and make your own decisions, right? Because it's important that you choose the niche, that you choose what you love promoting, and then that you create videos so that you get your enthusiasm out there. You see? I mean, you can write articles, you can blog, but it's not the same. People, they like to watch. 83% of people say, yes, I want to get more and more videos, on social media, on YouTube, wherever. So as I said, you can check out my free training below. There you will find, in-depth training and how to set up your first campaign, how to run traffic to it within 24 hours. So it's really cool. And thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Okay, hopefully. See you. Bye-bye.